welcome back to my channel. So today I have my mom and we are going to be doing a wash and go on her. So I've already shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned, all that stuff on her, and she has the TWA, and this is what her hair looks like. I've already used the Me shampoo, and I've used their deep conditioner, and my mom hair really liked it.
Love it.
So we are going
smells
to be,
good.
I know it smells too good. And then we're gonna be going in with leave-in conditioner, and then I'm also gonna go in with the wet line, cause I got mom to buy some wet line, but she don't know how to use it. So that's what we're doing today. I have some water here. I'm just throwing stuff right. How you feel to be in the chair, Mom? It's okay.
I don't know yet. Being with you, that's different.
It's okay.
Than another beautician.
So I'm going to spray some water. Since you guys know what I'm going to be using, I'm going to just go ahead and play some music and let you guys just watch me do my mother's hair. Stay tuned. Enjoy.
Edge control. Okay.
Edge booster. Put that right on top of that gel. Make it stay like that.
Okay.
Alright, you guys, so I'm all done. Mom is... Why are you looking at it?
Oh.
What you looking at?
Oh no. Okay, no, I was reading this stuff on that down there. Okay.
Y'all, she looking at all my products. But I'm finna let her sit under the dryer, and then afterwards come back and take them apart and all that. But here's the finished look, you guys. Woo! Oh, we going out of frame. Yeah, mommy. Okay. We are dry. I am going to diffuse it a little bit because I didn't let her roots dry all the way. So I'm going to be using my Dyson. So I'm going to add some of this oil to my hands, and I'm going to make sure I separate her curls, make it a lot bigger. I'm going to pick it out, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to add it to my hands and then start pulling apart some of the curls. Why you guys say it like that? All right, y'all. I'm finna raise her hair up a little bit in the front. So I'm just gonna put the pick in here like this and. We don't want to disturb the curl, so that's why I'm just taking it in, raising it a little bit. Add a little heat. Wherever you want to go, raise the pick up. If you got to move it around, that's fine. Then just... So I want these curls to last because she don't know how to do her hair like I just did it. So I want them to last. So I don't want to touch too much. So as it gets older, it's gonna get like bigger and fluffier and all that. So do you like it, mommy?
Love it. Raise the roof.
So we about to go to the mall, but I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know if you have a TWA and this really helped you guys out. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.